Welcome back. Now, one more account that you will want to set up will be your video account. Now, you won't find a direct connection between your YouTube account and your Amazon Author Central account. But you will want to have one place where you're going to have all of your promotional activities, including book trailers and other promotional content for your ebooks. But one thing you will want to note is that if you are going to be accepted into the influencer program that we spoke about earlier in this course, the easiest way to be accepted will be based on the activity of your YouTube account. So if you're building subscribers and regular activity on that account, you'll easily be able to create your influencer account as well as a storefront without having to use the advertising platform. Now, there is a video section of your Author Central account. When you click inside of there, you're going to notice that you're going to be uploading your videos to this area. And since the content is likely to be first on your YouTube channel, all you'll need to do is to come inside of your video area. You'll need to come to the video that you want to place on your channel. You'll then click this down arrow, and then you'll click Download MP4. Once you have the MP4 on your hard drive, you'll then be able to upload it to your Amazon Author Central account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.